I mean, it's a good option for stability. Like in Vancouver, we were in the same apartment for many years, but we still didn't feel like it was secure housing
Mhm.
because, you know, they're raising down all sorts of apartment buildings and building giant, you know, condo buildings and whatnot. So it didn't really feel like long-term stability, whereas owning your property is. But it wasn't really like a major, oh, I got to own property and check that off my bucket list. You know, it's basically just a means to an end, which is stability
Yeah, totally.
and getting a gym finally
Yeah.
after 10 years of being like, oh man, wouldn't it be sweet to have a like really kick-ass garage gym? I finally do now, which is great. And I wouldn't not have been able to do that in Vancouver.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's honestly, it's more about lifestyle than it is about like, yeah, I got to own property, right? It's like,
Yeah, yeah, and totally, it would probably saves you so much time by not actually having to go to a gym too,
yep,
where you can actually work on your business in the
totally.
meantime. And like I remember a mentor of mine, Iman Gadji, he told me that his goal is to actually like build a gym out in his place so that he saves the time like going to and from the gym, like training and all that sort of stuff. He
Mm,
says he might save maybe about an hour per day or something like that just by going to and from, showering, all that sort of stuff. And that's kind of like the big thing, is to just kind of save your time. So that's one of the really cool things about being able to move out from Vancouver, is to kind of like be able to, hey, I can now invest in like, say, a gym or something like that, instead of just investing in, say, maybe an extra foot of square
yeah,
feet.
right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Exactly.